What's up everybody, my name is Timo. Today I'm back with another Davinci Resolve tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create a locked on stabilization effect just like this. Now the first time I and probably also a lot of other people saw this effect was probably back in 2019 in the Apple Powerbeats Pro commercial, and it's a very effective trick to draw your attention to a subject, which is exactly why Apple have done this in the first place. And when I saw this, I was asking myself how many hours of work have actually gone into this project, but it turns out it's actually very simple to do, so let me just show you. Alright, but before we hop into Davinci Resolve, I wanted to give you some tips on how to recreate this on your own to make it just a little easier to work with. Now first you want to make sure that your subject that you want to stabilize the whole clip around is in the center of the frame for the entire duration of the clip. And that's going to make it so much easier to work with later on. And second of all, you want to record with a pretty wide field of view instead of a narrow one, which again gives you a whole lot more room to work with later on when you resize the whole thing. And also, if you know that you want to do this kind of shot beforehand, then make sure you record at a higher resolution if possible. Because if you can, then you're not going to lose too much video quality in the process. But without further ado, let's just jump into Davinci Resolve. Okay, so here in my media pool you can see that I've got two generic stock videos. I would have liked to shoot these videos myself, but unfortunately I'm in quarantine right now and I'm not allowed to leave my house, so stock footage has to be enough for now. Anyway, at first you want to drag your clip into your timeline, and as you can see it's just a guy running and a man walking. I just wanted to kind of recreate this whole vibe of the Beats commercial as much as I could. Okay, so then you want to select your clip that you want to edit and hop into the Fusion page where you can see your media in and your media out. Then you select your media in and hit Shift Space, which opens up a search window where you type in tracker. That of course adds a tracker to the clip, and before you do anything else, you want to make sure that you're at the beginning of your clip so that you actually track everything throughout the whole entire clip. To do that, just drag the orange slider all the way to the left. Then you can also see that the tracker appeared on the media out preview right here. As you can see, you can drag it anywhere on the entire video and also resize it the way you want to. I'm just gonna place it on this guy's head because that's what I like to track in this case. That should do the trick. Again, make sure you're at the start, and if you are, then press track forward right here. And as you can see, the tracker follows whatever you have selected throughout the entire clip. Okay, so once that's done, you can see the path that the tracker took, indicated by this green line. Now you want to go into your operations tab where you can see that it's currently set to none, meaning your tracker doesn't have any purpose yet, so go ahead and select match move. Now just simply select background only in the merge box, and when we play back our video you can see that it's now stabilized around our subject's head. However, you can see this chessboard pattern right here, but luckily it's fairly easy to get rid of this. To do that, you want to select your tracker down here and again press Shift Space to open that search window. This time you want a transform node, so just type in transform and hit enter. Here you can see a couple of controls and settings which you can use to reposition and resize your clip. Now, there are a lot of different settings that you can apply, so feel free to play around with them a bit if you want. So you now have to go through your clip and find the frame where the most of that gray pattern is visible and use that to resize your clip. In my case, this frame seems pretty good. Just use the size slider and zoom into your video until the pattern is gone. And because my subject is a little bit off to the right, I'm gonna adjust that a bit. And then you play it back from the beginning again, checking if the pattern is completely gone throughout the entire clip. Okay, with the first one done, let's just quickly do it again with the second one. Right, so select it, hop into the Fusion page and go to the beginning of the clip. Hit Shift Space and open up a tracker. Drag it onto whatever it is that you want to track, resize the tracker and then hit track forward. Select Match Move in the Operations tab, then Background Only at the Merge box. Look for your frame with the most gray pattern and open up a transform node to resize it. Watch it again, check if it's right, and you're done. Alright, so that's a quick and easy way to do this locked on stabilization effect, like in the Beats commercial as I showed you in the beginning. And as you can see, it's really simple to do, it doesn't take a lot of effort, and it gives you some amazing results to draw attention to a subject or a product or whatever you want to showcase. And it just looks sweet overall. Anyway, that's been it for this quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching, I hope you learned something, and if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please let me know because I really enjoy playing with cameras, playing with video editing and just exploring the whole thing. It is very cool to help people with their projects. So if you like this video, please let me know. So if you like this video, please let me... So if... So if you like this video, please let me know either through a like or a comment, and if you didn't, then let me know. So if you like this video, then please let me know either through a like or a comment, and if you didn't, then tell me why so I can improve, because I'm still learning. And feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos, and maybe I'll see you in the next one. Peace.